Recounting the passage of time and history through collective efforts, this town had gradually transformed into a shelter of civilization, peace, and comfort. Come with me and be bewildered by the striking mountain ranges, a view that will take you to an experience that is totally new. Azure waters, rediscover yourself in one of the lagoons of the many lagoons that Aguilar safeguards. Decadent delicacies, these are products that test the passage of time and are made out of passion and love. And heartwarming people of Aguilar. I am your travel wanderer, Denise. Dito lang sa Ganda mo, Pangasinan.
Simulan